Hi friends! Today we are here to explore yet another place called as Timmappana Betta. From Bangalore to Timmappana Betta, it's around 60 kilometers and the road is good throughout. We attain the majestic view of the Twin Rocks as we trudge higher on the hill. The best view comes after the hardest climb. This can make your day. Your destination awaits, so get on your way to Timmappana Betta. Leave the roads and take the trails. You need not a guide to see nature's charm. The more time you spend with nature, the deeper your understanding of life will be. It's an ideal place for a family outing. Here are some pics taken at the place. Climb the mountain, not to plant your flag, but to embrace the challenge. Enjoy the air and behold the view. Climb it so you can see the world, not so the world can see you. Simplicity is the beauty of nature, and silence is its fragrance. Thanks for watching. Meet you soon in the next video with some more exciting place to explore. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.